A little bit?
I don't think so. Huh. Okay. No worries. I don't know why. I've never used this before, but that should be on. You call it find a solid ground there.
Well, I'm on that big bolt and everything. You think that's a good enough ground?
All
right.
Okay.
it on?
Nope. Hold on. This is goofy. Okay, that's got a big. Hold on, I got it. I don't have it turned on yet.
Okay.
I want to make sure we got everything connected.
Yeah, that's what kept happening to me. I had to grab it in the back.
Yeah, that's okay. Make sure it's got it good.
Let's see.
It's got 12 volt. Oh, are you video? Are you that
no.
dead? How is this? I don't know. Let's try it again. Try it again. Okay.